Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I certainly hope that you are making lots and lots of money with your trading. In this quick and short video, I am just going to show you how we can turn this strategy, Bollinger Bands strategy with Rayner. I think it's called Rayner Teo or something, but he's a popular YouTuber and a trader. So we are just going to try and tweak his trading strategy using the Bollinger Bands into a Forex robot with our popular Fxdreema, and we're going to do this without any coding skills and for free. So if you're excited about that, just hit the like button on the video, and every time you have any questions, anytime you have a strategy that you think we might turn into a Forex robot, or if you want me to show you the direction that you need to take with your strategy turning it into a robot, then you can always leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your question. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos. If you are looking to download robots, indicators, courses, all the things that people are selling out there, you can download everything for free using the links in the description box below. If you have anything that you cannot find there that you want, you can always leave a request in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to look for what you'll be looking for you. That's what we are about on this channel. Everything is for free, sharing everything for free, and sharing the free knowledge for free. Then the broker that I use, of course, many people ask me, one of the best brokers in the world, award winning. We over 5 years now with them. I have not had any problems with them regarding withdrawals and deposits, and because you can open a live trading account for just $5. It's good when you're testing these robots. I know people love demo, but that's another story. I don't like testing things in demo. What I do is I load up those $5 micro accounts and I test my robots. If it's making money, I add more money onto it. If it's not making money and it loses the $5, well, I need to look at another thing or tweak it and stuff like that. So let's get back to our video. So this is how to trade with the trend using Bollinger Bands according to Rayner Teo. So basically, yeah, he explains that whatever, the middle line of the Bollinger Bands is simply a 20 period moving average, okay? Otherwise known as the mean of the Bollinger Bands, which is what he's talking about here. If we go there, this is what he's talking about. This will be the lower band and that will be the higher band. So he's talking about trading off this middle line here. So that's what we are basically going to do with our robot. And how are we? So this will be for buys and this will be for sales. So we are going to try and turn this into an automated trading robot. At least I'm going to show you the basics of how you can basically do that for yourself. So let's go to Fxdreema. I just cleared everything that I had here. If you are new to Fxdreema, there will be an example robot here and some information here. Just right click and delete, right click and delete, so that we start together on a clean slate like this. So what we're going to do first of all is, what I love to do is to add a filter. So we say once per bar, and I usually use another filter on that as well. Check trades. I usually also add a no trade at the top, so that our robot understands that if it has got other trades running that it has placed already, any trades that are matching its magic number, it shouldn't be opening new trades. So no trade. If it's not trading, then we start looking for once per bar, we start looking for our conditions. So we are going to place in our conditions. This will be the conditions for buys, and here we have conditions for sales. So we're just going to link everything together like that, and we're going to double click and go in there. So in here, what we're going to be looking for is we're going to look for candle, because this is a buy condition. Let's go here. Basically that will be around about what a buy looks like. So if you look at the candle, if let's see if I can open the candle in a new tab. Okay, good. So what we are looking for is for the candle to open above, let's just use above the median line or the middle line. So let's have candles that open above the middle line, or maybe we can use candles like this. It's up to you. You can choose candles like this, or you can use candles like that. Maybe let's start with candles with wicks like this. So they are like genuine pullbacks. They are like genuine pullbacks. So to set that, what we want is we are going to have our first condition. It's going to be a candle open, because we are looking for bullish candles. Our candle open needs to be below indicator. We are going to say Bollinger Bands. So our candle needs to open, the open price needs to be below the median line. The open price of, I think we can use open or we can use the low. It basically it's up to you. It's up to you. Again, you see conditions where you can have the open and the lowest below the middle line, or you can have conditions where they are actually above the median line. So you choose which approach is good for you. But we are just going to try and use this approach for now. So we say the open of that candle needs to be below the Bollinger Band. I'm just using the default here. I'm just keeping default values. Basically, the candle that we are looking for is candle 1. That's the candle that we are looking for, not the current candle. We are looking for the most recent candle. Then we are going to use the middle line like that. It's good like that. So that's basically what we need, and let's just say candle 1 there, candle 1 like that. So basically we want, as our first condition, we want the candle to open below the middle line. Then the second condition for a buy, so that we are convinced that it's potentially a pullback, we double click and we go in there. We are going to say candle, the candle close. Here we were looking for candle open. Now the candle close here for candle 1, it needs to be above our Bollinger median. That's what we are saying here. Our candle close, it opened below and it closed above the line. That's what we are saying. Middle line, and we're just going to say candle 1 there. That's basically what we are telling the robot. So we have basically interpreted this particular candle, and after this has happened, on this candle our robot is going to open a buy. That's what is going to happen. So we are now going to take that and we are going to put it like that, and we're just going to link it like that. And to do the sales, we are just doing the complete opposite. We just copy everything over to this side, and we are going to link it together like that. And we're just going to go in there and we're just going to flip the values where it's showing below. We are going to say it needs to be above. We double click and go in there again. When it's showing above, it's just going to be below, because this is for the sales, so it's just going to be like that. If I'm moving too fast, I apologize. You can always rewind the videos and follow again. Basically, our robot is done. That's the robot that's trading this strategy, or this strategy according to Rayner Teo. But in this instance, you have instances where the open price, the high and the open price for this candle are both below the median price. You can still go in here, and you can still tweak here where it says candle open, and you double with candle low, or do you want it to be above the median line, or that's what you can play around with. So feel free to play around with everything here, but everything I've given you the basics, so it's now up to you to just play around with the settings that is in here. Do you want to use candle close? Do you want to use the candle high? What's working for you is now up to you. So just see what works for you. Otherwise, I've given you some basics, and I think I've shown you the direction that you need to take. And this is less than 10 blocks, so you can still do this robot for your MT4 for free. You don't need to subscribe to do this. Then you can come here and you can basically change the name of the robot, Bollinger Bands EA, and done. And here you can download the executable file, or you can download the source code, and you can basically play around with the robot. Otherwise, guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.